Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Google Keep. So in this video you will get the tutorial how you can actually use Google Keep for productivity and notes. So Google Keep is a note keeper that you can actually keep your notes. You can add some tasks here, you can add scheduled, and you can remember each and everything, so from now on you won't forget any work in your daily life. So let's start it. So you have to go to keep.google.com, or you can simply go to your browser and simply click on this 9 dot button here, and you can find the Google Keep app from here. So here it is. So from here, let me explain the interface here. So the 3 dot button here, so you can minimize or just open that section here. So first one is note. So you can take a note from here. So I'm going to, for example, take a note. So for example, loading notes, it's actually loading right now. So you can, let's wait until it loads. I don't know what's happening, so we are going to give a quick refresh it. So turn it on, or we are going to turn on the dark mode here. So you can see it has just loaded. So here you can add some note here if you want. So I have just turned on the dark mode here, so it's look pretty cool. Now here is the notes section where you can actually add some notes here. For example, anything. For example, anything you want. So like let's add something. Neutron has 3 laws on the momentum that has changed, was revolutionary. So that's how I can add a text here. So I can add a node here. So we can actually add a background here. So we can create a background just like this. We can colorize it, so for remembrance here, or we can actually add some background images from here if we want. So that's like it. And here, like momentum, here it is a roller coaster on the momentum, so it's very much relevant here. Then you can add the remind me option here. So this is for the productivity, so you can actually, it will impact on your productivity. So for example, you have added a schedule, you have planned a schedule for today's day. For example, we are going to so we're going to give you another lesson on reminder after a while, but before that we are going to plan each and everything from here. Now here is the collaborator, so you can add people on this node, so they can actually see your node, or actually they can actually edit your note from here. Also you can add some images if you want, so you can simply select any images and you can add it to with your embed with your notes here. You can go you can actually shift this note to the archive section. Here is the mode section here, where you can see delete the note from your note dashboard. Then add level, you can add the level here. You can add drawing, so you can simply click on it and you can add the drawing from here. That I am not good at drawing actually, so don't forgive me. So the apple is chance for that, and we are going to revert that here. So the apple we are going to talk about is going to fall. So it is the law, so Newton. So we're going to add this here. So for example, this pretty cool here, so I think, and here it is. So you can add it. So from here, so not that actually. So we are going to add them here. So export as image, or you can export it as image. You can download it, or you can add that here. So here is the drawing. So got it. You can pin it by simply click on this pin button here, and you can just simply add your note here. So simply click anywhere, so then you can add that note here. So it will save like this. So here is the reminder that I talk about. So you can add a note here. So for example, you can, from here in this reminder section, actually you can schedule each and every part of your daily life. For example, wake up. So we have to wake up at 8 a.m. Yes, wake up, then brush and take a bath. We are going to select the date here. So here you can simply click on this date button here, or you can simply click on this remind button here. So sorry for that, we are going to add the reminder here. So yes, doesn't repeat, you can repeat it daily. You can also let me show you. So here is the reminder button, or you can simply click on this button here, timer button here. So from here you can set the date here. If it's for 1 day, you can set the date here. So here the time, so at morning. So morning, we are going to add it like 8:30 a.m. So it will change the time, or says that actually this time on PC or my PC. Actually now you can add it doesn't repeat, or you can add it daily repeat if it's your daily task. So you can add it daily, or if any weekly task you have, then you can create a weekly task also. So save. So here you can see it has just added daily here. Also we can add it or doesn't repeat, or you are going to add it daily. So save here. So that's how. Now we are going to add more note here. Breakfast first, just like this, and daily. So we won't miss any single work from here. So we have to say, take breakfast at 9 a.m. here. So save, and we are going to remind me later, and we're going to close it, and here it is. So now the office, go to office. Now we are going to add the office time here. So like 10, we add this 10 and repeat daily here. So I'm going to repeat it daily. So save. So that's how you can do it. And the meeting, like meeting, add in the meeting. So 11 a.m. So daily, and save and close. Again we are going to add more. Also we are going to we can actually add the checklist here if we want. So you can add the checklist, that we can add some like make a document, and then we can add item more here, like submit the project, make report. So just like this, you can actually add that here. So you can add it like 12 here. I'm going to add it, so 12, and repeat every day, and simply done. And it will, if you repeat it every day, it will give you the, actually not here, we are going to add it like 12 a.m. So save. So here it is. So we are going to add some tasks here. So here it will just remind us for every task from here that we have to do. So that's the pretty cool thing. So here is the drawing feature. Here you can see add some image. So that's how you can just do it. You can simply delete that version, you delete the note here. So here it is. You can also edit the labels if you want. So you can find the archive task from here, and the trash. If you have deleted any, you can find the trash in this trash, so you can recover it. Simply click on this restart button here, or you can delete it forever by simply click on delete. So that's pretty much all thing how you can actually use your notes for increase your productivity or keep your important task in the note. So hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.